An eye for an eye. An eye for an eye means responding to someone's wrongdoing by doing something equally harmful to them. It expresses the idea of revenge or equal punishment. Let's look at some example sentences. He believes in an eye for an eye and wants to punish those who hurt him. The coach warned the players not to seek an eye for an eye after a controversial foul. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. The two neighboring countries kept retaliating against each other with matching trade sanctions. The two neighboring countries followed an eye for an eye approach, imposing matching trade sanctions on each other. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.